Oh my god, I think he is waking up.
Oh good, so he should be okay.
What the fuck is this? Are we having a kid, you bitch?
No, this is just in case of a guest.
Who the fuck is gonna spend the night here? Our house is a piece of shit. I gotta take a shit. Oh, I gotta go. That son of a bitch who stabbed me is sitting across from me. I'm gonna fuck him hard tonight.
What the fuck did you just say to me? I will fucking stab you 10 times tonight if you say that again.
Oh, I gotta go. That son of a bitch who stabbed me is sitting across from me. I'm gonna fuck him hard tonight.
Enjoy your last day on Earth, you piece of shit. I hope you know what you got yourself into.
Haha, you're such a fucking joke, you whoremaster cunt. Holy shit, he wasn't kidding. Oh fuck. Honey, are you home yet? Ah fuck. Fuck 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 foo f.
Do you have any information about the stabbing?
Why would I? I'm the nicest person in this motherfucking world, so don't blame shit I didn't do on me, asshole.
How the hell are you alive?
How the fuck are you President of the United States of America?
I am pretty successful, I know, but you could be vice president.
Why the fuck would I want that? I would rather be dead. Can I drink some of these?
Of course not, you dumb whore.
Yay, it's fucking Christmas, the best holiday ever.
Hey honey, Merry Christmas.
How the fuck is he a news reporter now?
So some breaking news. Lawrence Dick has gotten arrested for apparently stabbing people 10 times.
Fucking finally. Holy shit, this guy works like literally fucking everywhere.
Give me all the fucking money that is in this fucking store right now.
He's finally fucking dead.